We've purchased a battery disconnect switch to make turning on and off the battery power to our camper a lot easier. You want to turn it off when you store it or are not plugged in. We've bolted down the device to the negative battery cable. Now we're going to take the device and mount it to the battery. Doing all this on the negative side. You got a secure chest. There is no power to the camper right now. Screw in the top post. Clockwise is on. Come back. And now there's power. Simply turn it counterclockwise and now there's no power. The beautiful thing about this is if you unscrew it completely, you can take it with you to prevent theft.